Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something massive, the iPad Pro M5. This isn't just an upgrade. This is Apple's boldest statement yet. We're talking a beastly new M5 chip OLED display like you've never seen. Dynamic Island reimagined and AI so smart. Your iPad might just know you better than you do. The M5 chip, a monster, is born. Apple's M5 chip isn't just powerful. It's a silicon sledgehammer. Rumored to be built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, this chip could pack 12-core CPU, 18-core GPU, 32-core neural engine. That's laptop-destroying, MacBook-challenging, future-proof performance in a device thinner than your textbook. 8K video editing, console-quality gaming, building AI models in real time. This isn't just fast. It's next-gen productivity in your hands. OLED Plus promotion 2.0 plus Dynamic Island equals display revolution. Apple is reportedly bringing tandem OLED to the iPad Pro. M5 inky blacks retina melting colors promotion 2.0, possibly pushing beyond 120 Hz and better battery efficiency. But here's the real twist. Dynamic Island is coming to the iPad. Not just ported, supercharged, bigger, smarter, more useful. Notifications that float, expand, and react. Live video rendering in the background, multitasking like you've never seen on iPad before. This feels less like a tablet and more like a portable control center. iPadOS 19, where AI takes over. iPadOS 19 is going full AI first. Here's what's coming: smart multitasking. It predicts the apps you'll open next, universal control, plus flawless transitions between iPad, Mac, and iPhone. Siri 2.0, lightning fast, on-device, and context-aware. Context-aware workflows, apps launch before you even ask. This isn't just software anymore. This is your AI-powered digital assistant baked right into a glass slab. Release date and price. What to expect? Mark your calendars: October or November 2025, right before the M5 MacBooks drop. And price-wise, 11-inch model, $1,099 to $1,199. 13-inch model, $1,299 to $1,399. fully spec'd with 24 GB RAM plus 4 TB SSD. Who is this for? Should you upgrade? This isn't your average iPad. The M5 iPad Pro is built for creators. Hardcore gamers, i.e., developers, designers, multitasking power users. This is more than Pro. This is iPad Ultra and all, but named is the OLED screen a game changer for you? Will the M5 finally make you ditch a laptop? Or is the upgraded Dynamic Island your favorite part? Drop your thoughts below. I'm reading every single one. Like, subscribe, turn on that bell. If you're into deep tech dives, Apple leaks before they go mainstream, and straight-up truth bombs before launch day, smash that like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.